Experts say it's getting more expensive to borrow money as federal policymakers keep raising interest rates to try to get a handle on the persistently high inflation.
The chairman of the Federal Reserve spent 2 days testifying before Congress about the reasoning behind raising rates. Alex Cameron has details from our News on 6 Washington Bureau.
Well, yesterday, Chairman Powell spoke to the Senate Banking Committee. Today, it was the House Financial Services Committee. In both instances, he made it clear the Fed's work is not done.
My colleagues and I are acutely aware that high inflation is causing significant hardship.
Chairman Powell acknowledged that inflation has eased since last summer, but says the latest economic data are stronger than expected.
Which suggests that the ultimate level of interest rates is likely to be higher than previously anticipated.
After steep increases in the benchmark interest rate throughout 2022, many analysts thought that the quarter-point hike February 1st might be the beginning of the end of the Fed's tightening of borrowing costs. But Powell's testimony this week suggests that thinking may have been premature.
Restoring price stability will likely require that we maintain a restrictive stance of monetary policy for some time.
Chairman Powell, how careful are you in ensuring...
Congressman Frank Lucas sits on financial services. He wanted to make sure today the Fed is not overstepping its bounds and using monetary policy to promote the administration's climate policy.
It's a very important issue to the 3rd District of Oklahoma. Traditional production agriculture, oil and gas.
Powell assured Lucas the Fed's board is not venturing there.
I would completely agree with you, though, that over time, that border needs to be very carefully guarded. And I will tell you that I will do that as long as I'm at the Board of Governors.
And the Fed's next meeting is set for March 21st, 22nd. We should get details of the next rate hike exactly 2 weeks from today. In our Washington Bureau, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.